Painting simple grasses and leaves in oils. I'm just going to start to put a few more darks in here. It's a little bit too light because I want that darkness in some areas now, so that I can come back in and lay the lights on top and they'll be visible. As you can see, I'm not being too particular, not being too accurate with it. I want to keep this quite painterly. And now I've got a lighter, more vibrant mix. So as I said before, that's mainly ultramarine blue and winsor yellow. I'm creating more of the leaf marks and adding form now to the plants themselves. So I'm not doing it too random. I'm actually looking to see where these leaves are really catching the light. Now coming back in, gone a bit lighter, a bit more vibrant green again. So you can see how I'm working in layers, building one on top of another all the time. All going in wet and wet. Wet paint on wet paint. And now just going to add a few of these white flowers over here as well, not too much. And now I've got a couple of layers built in. I'm just going to go on top now and really put the lighter tones, the more vibrant tones, the highlights actually on top of those layers. So because I've got those layers, it's going to make it look more three-dimensional, rather than if I tried to do it all in one go. And you can really see there how even with a large brush you can make nice painterly marks, small marks. You haven't got to go racing for a tiny little rigger brush all the time to get these painted shapes. It's just using the angle of the brush, keeping that sharp edge. I'm just going to carry on doing this now, working my way over this bush and down the canvas. If you're looking for even more great art sources, I've really got you covered. First off, I've got a Patreon channel. It's been going well over a year or so, packed with around about 50 or more videos and new ones every month. Lots of the videos are many hours long, so you can see they're really in-depth. Subjects such as turtles, birds, elephants, big cats, you name it, is on there. So that's my Patreon channel. And also on that Patreon channel, before I go on to something else, I've got a secret Facebook group. So only the members are actually on there. It's the most supportive and friendly Facebook group that I've ever seen. I know I'm biased, but it really is. We've got 400 or 500 members on there and they all help each other. So that's a great added bonus. That comes free with it. Also, you get line art every month as well. And we've just designed a brand new companion website for it. So if you've joined other Patrons and channels and you found it very difficult to navigate around, we got this free website that comes with it. All the videos are now just a single click away. Couldn't be any easier than it is. I've also got my site jasonmorgan.co.uk, lots of tutorial videos, DVD discs and downloads on there. And if you're struggling for reference photos for your art projects, I've got some of those too. I've got 900 plus on my website, wildlifeart-online.com, and they will be copyright free for you, so you can paint and draw from them and sell your work with no copyright worries whatsoever. So hope you like those extra resources, and I'll see you all again real soon.